And here device control. The device control is used for control your camcorder if you have a digital camcorder. And if you, for example, if you have a VTR, they have a device control for them. You can connect it to them and use the device control in here. For example, if you select none, that means manual. You click the play button on your camcorder over your VTR, VCR, and click the record button on the capture panel to record the video. They have no device control in there. And in here, if you have connect your mini DV camcorder to your computer through your firewire card, you can select the DV HDV device control. That means when you enable here, and okay, let's check it from here. The setting is the same thing here, both in here or from the preference in here. And if you select the DV HDV device control here and you connect your camcorder, mini DV camcorder to your computer, you can control your camcorder, the playback, recording, and all the function here. And here, once again, you select the device control here. If you select none, you have no option here. If you select DV, HDV, or serial device here, and here, if you connect your mini DV, HDV to your computer through the firewire card, you select the device control here and select the option here. The option here is for the video standard, like the one in NTSC North American and PAL in Europe in most of the camcorder. And first select the video standard, like the one I am in Montreal, Canada. So my camcorder is NTSC standard, right? So I select NTSC and device brand. And my camcorder, my mini DV is Canon, the mark. And this depends on your brand. If you have Sony, a Sony camcorder, you can select Sony. And JVC, you can select JVC, Panasonic, Sharp, Samsung, like that you can select them. Like the one I have a Canon NTSC, and device type, this is the model. And my camcorder, the mini DV is XL1S, so I select this one. And if your model is not listed in here, you can select the close one. Like the one if you have a I don't know, maybe it's some format they call, for example, your camcorder is ZR 60 or 50, and they are 60, they are listed here, or 50, 55. Okay, if your camcorder is Z55, like the one, I don't know, maybe they have not exist. This is just an example, and they have not listed here. You can select the close one, like the 50, like this one, so you can select them. But in here I have the XL1S, so I select my camcorder model here. And here for the Timecode format, the Timecode format is for the NTSC only. If you select PL and they have no drop fade, you cannot set drop fade or select them. Yeah, no drop fade, only for the NTSC. In my camcorder, as the Timecode format is drop fade, as I set on my camcorder, so I select the drop fade. If you don't sure what's the Timecode format, you can set auto detect. So if I auto detect the Timecode format, so but I think it's better to you check on your camcorder, on the setting on your camcorder, is you set it as drop fade or no drop fade, so you can set it here. But if you don't know how to check it, you can select auto detect. Mostly they will detect your Timecode format correctly, I hope so. Okay, here I set drop fade as the setting in my camcorder. In here, the statue is alright. This is because I have not connected my camcorder to my computer, so that means not connect. If I connect my camcorder to my computer and I turn on the camcorder in a VCR mode or VTR mode, in some of the camcorder they call VTR mode, like in my Canon XL1S, the mode is the VCR mode. So I turn it on in VCR mode and connect to my computer, and it will show me online. If you connect your camcorder to your computer and turn it on VTR mode or VCR mode, and they are still showing you online at the statue here, you can click here, check statue to refresh, checking the connection for the camcorder and your computer. And if you still cannot connect it, you can shut down your computer and connect your camcorder, turn your camcorder on and turn your computer on, power on your computer, then start your Adobe Premiere Pro and come back to here and check it. And here, go to online for device info. You can click it. This will open the Premiere Pro first party hardware compatibility, the web page here, and this will show you the hardware for which version or Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro Preroll. You select here for the type of hardware. This will checking for your capture card, which capture card is good for Preroll, or which camera, VTR, camcorder, DVD burner, graphic card, sound card. So you can check in here. For example, like this camera VTR, select the format NTSC. For example, my camcorder, Canon. I will check it. So in here, Canon XL1S, 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 Canon XL1S, where the S? All manufactured Canon. Show me the model, and okay, they just show me Canon NTSC XL1 for standard definition, full support. Okay, the XL1S is the most recent model, and this is the improved version from XL1, and this also support in full support in Adobe Premiere Pro Preroll, I believe. And even they are not listed here in for some of the model, you can check it. I believe they work well. You can check it, or if you are not sure, you can check it, or you can call Adobe Premiere call Adobe for technical support. Ask them if my camcorder support in the Adobe Premiere Pro version 2.0 as my camcorder is NTSC. So you can ask Adobe. You can ask Adobe technical support, or if you want, you can go to the forum and post your question. If the people use your same kind of camcorder and the software in here, they work, how they will work for the compatibility. Okay, I close it. Okay, here. Okay, click OK. So, and this for the device control and Preroll Timecode offset. I come back to the preference. I go too much maybe. And device control. The device control Preroll time and Timecode offset. The Preroll time is the how many in second before the capturing the video. From mechanism, you have put your camcorder before how many seconds to play it in normal speed before you capture your video. So you can set it here by default 2 seconds for most of the camcorder. I believe that's okay, so you can just leave it here. And if you want, you can set it more, 3 seconds or 5 seconds, up to you. But if you set it 1 second, maybe it's not good enough for the Preroll time. So by default 2 seconds, that's okay, I believe. And for the Timecode offset, the Timecode offset is used for example, some analog video used on VTR. They can assign a Timecode on them. So the Timecode offset is setting the frame, how many frames to put them in sync for the Timecode. In real world, if you have VTR, you setting on them, you can check it. If they are out of sync, and how many frames you can check it and put in here.